If you want to see how I achieve this look using 2 temporary colors, then stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my Valentine's Day series. Welcome to the last video in my Valentine's Day series. So in this last video of my series, I am going to be doing a half up, half down twist out style. So I am doing this style on an old twist out. So I'm going in to re-moisturize my hair, and I'm going to be using the TGIN Sweet Honey Hair Milk. So for styling, I am going to be using ORS Curls Unleashed Color Blast in the color Sangria and Dragon Fruit. Now I've already done 1 layer of just Sangria and 1 layer of just Dragon Fruit, and now for this 3rd layer, I am mixing Sangria and Dragon Fruit together. So again, this is a twist out, so I'm twisting in medium-sized sections. I am detangling my hair and then twisting all the way down. And I'll just be repeating these same steps throughout my hair and alternating colors. I absolutely love playing with temporary colors. You can be so creative with these colors. You can use 1 color, you can use multiple colors, you can mix the colors together. The options are endless. I'll link some of the videos that I've done with these ORS Curls Unleashed colors in the cards above. Let me know in the comment section if you have tried ORS Curls Unleashed Color Blast and what color is your favorite. Or let me know what color you want to see me use next. So now that my hair is all twisted, I'm going to let it air dry and I am going to do the front. So I decided to just style the top in a cute little top knot. So here we are ready for the takedown. My twists are all dry. And this color wax does give you a nice amount of hold. And as you can see, the definition is on point. I absolutely love how these two colors mix together. Again, I use sangria and dragon fruit. For some of the twists, I use just sangria. Some I use just dragon fruit. And some of them I mix sangria and dragon fruit together. So now that my twists are down, I'm going to go in and separate. And as you can see, there is just a little bit of transfer from me manipulating my hair, but it does wash off very easily. And here is my final look. I am definitely loving how these colors blend well together. Loving this half up, half down look. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope that you have enjoyed this Valentine's Day series. If you haven't caught all of the videos yet, then make sure you go and check them out. Again, thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.